Alright everyone, we are lucky enough to get a hands-on look at the brand new Pragmata game, SketchBook. It's been out for PC for a little while now, but it is coming to major consoles here soon. And it's basically a buddy sci-fi action kind of mystery game that is a third-person shooter. The synopsis is that you have this android who is also there with a human astronaut who gets separated from his crew at a moon base that has no connection to Earth anymore. And the goal of the game apparently is to be able to battle through and via mystery and a little bit of action, get back to Earth in one piece. So let's see what the gameplay is like. I'm gonna play it first on the TV, then a little bit of console gameplay. I'm excited because again, I didn't know much about this game, and it's always cool to see what else is out there aside from like the big name brands that we see over and over again. So let's jump right into this thing. So that's Pragmata, everybody. I think this is one of those sleeper games that not a lot of people are going to know about in the beginning, but little by little, through word of mouth, people will enjoy this. It kind of gives me like these Halo vibes, but also obviously much more modern. I love the story. I love the fact that you have to use both of the characters because you're playing both of them. Again, it also gives you a little bit of the Donkey Kong vibe. If you guys Donkey Kong Bonanza, they have the second character on top of Donkey Kong, so same idea. One is going to be human that actually is able to shoot people and get all the physical stuff done, versus the other one is hacking, making sure that you can get through the doors, making sure that you can open up the armor of the villains or of the other cyborgs and things like that. So very fun game. And then I was also told that yes, there isn't currently an online version or some online component to it, but the more times you run through it, the newer things get and you can unlock different things. So if you run through the game, you beat it all the way through or whatever that looks like, of course you're going to unlock a good amount of it, but then if you play it a second time through and a third time through, you start to get other pieces and other armors and other different kind of unlock modes that weren't there in the first run. So it's almost never ending if you kind of like games like that. But Pragmata coming to Nintendo Switch 2, I think is going to be a sleeper pick for 2026.